Hey everyone, it's your favorite Pick Instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best Logitech headsets that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. Logitech. Logitech G Pro X is the best Logitech headset with a wireless design. This comfy headphone offers a flexible sound profile because of its companion software's visual EQ plus presets. In addition, it features Lightspeed wireless technology. It comes with a battery life of up to 20 hours. It has a 2.4 GHz wireless distance of up to 15 meters. It's well made, comfy, has good sound, and comes with a USB sound card. It comes with 7.1 channel surround sound and many audio tuning options via Logitech's G Hub software. It is made up of a sturdy aluminum fork and steel headbands, so it will last longer. It offers advanced Pro G 50mm drivers, increasing bass response, and crisp and accurate sound imaging. In addition, you'll be able to hear footsteps and ambient clues, giving you a competitive edge in the game. At number 4. Logitech. Logitech G Pro wired gaming headset is the best wired headset from Logitech. It comes with the Detachable Professional Mic with True Blue voice technology for clearer, more professional voice communications. Choose between superior passive noise-canceling leather or soft, breathability velour ear pads to have optimum comfort. Moreover, it comprises a sturdy aluminum fork and steel headband. This headset is built to last. Sound imaging is clean and accurate, with increased bass response due to advanced Pro G 50mm drivers. In addition, you'll be able to hear footsteps and ambient clues. It gives you a competitive advantage while playing games. You can experience the tournament-level gaming sound. Voice communications are delivered via a quality USB external sound card and EQ profile memory. Pro-developed EQ profiles are accessible with the Logitech G Hub application and require a G Hub software system. The Pro X gaming headset also includes a mobile cord with an integrated microphone, so that you may use it without the boom microphone. The headset also comes with a carrying case, so it preserves the headset and accessories while traveling. At number 3. Logitech H540. Logitech H540 headset comes at an affordable price. You can get rich and digital audio provided by laser-tuned drivers. Moreover, it's built-in equalization for total immersion in songs, games, and phone calls. You can connect whatever Windows or Mac system with a USB-A port can use this plug-and-play headphone. Allows for clearer talks by reducing undesirable background noise. When not being used, the right-sided boom microphone may be tucked within the headband just out of the way for improved voice recording. A visible light indicator just on the headset wire confirms the mute state. It comes in an adjustable and comfortable style. The soft, cushioned leather headbands and ear cups are comfortable even after hours of hearing. You can enjoy songs, films, and phone calls in powerful digital stereo sound right away. At number 2. Logitech H390. Logitech headset can be operated via plug-and-play USB connection and amp, noise-canceling mic. So, you can experience excellent internet calls. You can adjust the volume or mute without disrupting a call with inline settings. If you are looking for a headset for voice calls, this is the ideal business headset. Throughout long chats, the 6.20 feet/1.9 cord is precisely the appropriate length to allow users to get up and stretch. Laser-tuned drivers give excellent digital audio during songs, games, and phone conversations. There is no need to install any new software, because a plug-and-play headset could be used with just about any PC or Mac system. IT offers clearer talks by reducing undesirable background noise. For great voice recording, a rigid, left-sided microphone can be used. In addition, the movable boom can be folded out of sight when not in use. Finally, the flexible headband has swivel-mounted leather ear pads to give hours of convenience. It's also simple to clean. USB allows for simple plug-and-play functionality. Connect the USB hub directly to the desktop, and you're ready to communicate, listen to music, or play games. At number 1. Logitech G335. It is the lightweight gaming headset from Logitech, which weighs only 240 grams. It features soft, flexible headband straps and foam pads for full-day comfort. You can easily connect well with a 3.5mm audio connector to go in your game immediately. The volume roller is positioned on the ear cup itself. The suspension strap structure distributes and relieves weight for long-term convenience. The stretchy headband is not only comfortable to wear, but it's also flexible for a good fit. It also gives reversible and changeable for a range of looks, and cleanable to keep it looking new. Its volume roller is conveniently situated just on ear cup. It's allow you to swiftly adjust the volume of any games or audio. Whereas the microphone could be flipped up to mute and amp, move out of the way. In addition, it comes with 40mm neodymium speakers that produce a sharp, rich stereo sound that brings your game to life. It is compatible with PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, Xbox One, Xbox Series X, and Nintendo Switch. We hope you loved the video, and please tell us which products we should review next in our comment section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.